Okay, let's change it up a little bit. Now we're going to play one full bar of A major, and then 2 beats D major, and then 2 beats on E major. So we have A to D to E. Here we go. 3, 4, 1, 2. Start on A, go. Now A, 2, 3. Up to D. Here it comes. D, 2. Then to E. 2, 3, 4. Up to D. To E. A. 1, 2, 3. Here comes D. D for 2 beats. There's a second beat. E for 2 beats. And A. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 3, and a 4, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 3, 3, 4. Nice.